What's up, Pubic here? My package arrived today. The good thing about being gone for 5 days, that it doesn't take forever to receive my shit, so that's a good thing. So let's see what it is. I know what it is, but this is the shit I've been waiting for. Well, shit. Thing went wrong real quick. There we go. So, supposedly this is the grand pussy of headsets or whatever. However you want to say it. The big D, whatever. Dude, I'm recording. Fuck. Anyways, sorry for that interruption. Let's open this grand vagina up. Let's see what it's got. This is the one that works with the what the hell is it called? All of it. Also works with the PlayStation, PC, Mac, Nintendo Switch, and the mobile and the Xbox. So that's why it's the big boy. She nuts all over you. So it's wonderful. So here we go. You already fucked it up. I mean, I might as well. Yes, you were.
What are you talking about? I was staying quiet in my little corner.
Yeah, okay.
You started talking about big pussy, wet pussy.
Alright, this is what it looks like when you open her up. Her legs are wide open. Look at that. So, she's actually, look at that. So, this is it.
She's squirting all over my face.
See what I'm saying? Stupid ass. And I'm assuming this is the mic. I'm talking here. Fuck. Okay, well, anyways. Where the hell does this shit go?
Stick it in the hole.
I can't find the hole. Where the fuck's the hole? This hole is hidden. This is a tight hole because I can't. Oh, okay. It's under Turtle Beach, so it's around here somewhere.
Like a virgin. Ooh, touch for the very first time.
Where the fuck is the hole? Like, for real? Is it this little lid? Oh, shit. Oh, okay. It's a... It's a lid. I lost the little fucking cap. Where the fuck did it go? Hey, man, my fucking cap got lost. Well, whatever. Anyways, it had a little fucking microphone thing right here. So I'm assuming this goes in there, so... How the fuck? There it is.
Oh yeah, baby, stick it in.
Are you fucking kidding me? I hope the mic didn't hear you. Jesus Christ. And it opens up. Let's see what it... I have a fat head. Not that... You know what I mean. Stop thinking dirty shit. There you go. And it's a C charger. I'm making my video. Are you fucking serious? Dude. Fuck. So...
Fucking off over there.
How the fuck, dude? Okay, so it fits very comfortable. Oh fuck. You can't hear shit. I mean, I can. You can laugh. Now you're not fucking laughing, but it's just really comfortable. I mean, I guess it's worth over, what is it, $350 or some shit. So there you go. I don't know where my cap went. Went flying. It busted, that's for sure.
You don't like plastic anyways.
Yeah, I don't like plastic. You know I'm still fucking recording, right?
That's nice.
Yeah, no shit. Where the fuck my cap go? This is driving me nuts.
What cat?
Dude, that's on the fucking headset.
Oh, the little phone?
No. Oh, there it is. I couldn't see it on this fucking carpet on the ground.
The whole thing's fixed.
That bitch popped so hard it flew between my legs. Okay, anyways. This is what was on there.
Put that little butt plug on there, a little too tight, buddy.
Oop, that's their butt. That's their ass plug. I didn't put that shit on there. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna put the butt plug in the case, and I guess this is the. Oh shit. Okay, well this comes with it. I don't know what the fuck that is. What is that? I guess that's a battery.
It's a charging thing, man. Yeah, it's the battery.
That's what that is? Where the fuck? How's it? Oh.
You see the little wire? I think you plug it up to that.
Oh shit! And it comes with this shit.
Yeah, because I think that's what it's saying, that this one takes a battery.
Oh fuck! Watch the knife. Starts here. And then you get this little
Nice pouch.
nice little pouch. It's
How does
like
it feel?
feels like a dry condom. I'm just fucking around. It feels really soft. I'm just playing. Okay, so
No, yeah, it does.
it feels really soft.
It feels like the those, you know, those sags, the baggies you get from Crown. When you buy the Crown bottle.
Oh yeah, Crown bottle. That's what
That's
it feels
what
like. I guess I'm giving them advertising, but yeah, this is what it.
They don't need advertisement, bro.
No, they don't. They actually don't.
Fucking rich as shit.
They are. So
I actually like those baggies.
let's see how this bitch fits in there, and it has like a little sack in there to hold the contents. It's like a little sack in there. So let's see how it fits in here. This video's all fucked up. Shit. No, I'm still fucking recording. It's just all out of whack. I'm gonna have to. Oh fuck it. It's just raw. I mean, it's real. So I mean, yeah. There you go. See. Oh, it says Turtle Beach on it. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but it's on there, right in the center. It's like black and shit. Oh yeah, you can see it's right there. Yeah, so I can hang this bitch up. It's like you got two little balls hanging out to dry. So, oh fuck, my mic fell over. Shit. Fuck. This is some bullshit. Anyways. So I'm guessing this battery pack goes somewhere in this wire. So I'm going to figure that out. Video's already fucking like 10 minutes long, so I guess I'll just cut it off right here. But yeah, there it is. That's the contents in your the big boy or big whatever that does it all. So I'll try it out. I'll let you know if it's shit or is it good. Alright, man. Have a good day or night, whatever. See you next time.